Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimension of all the three sides is given to you. In this video, we are going to solve another question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when the dimension of all the three sides is given to you. The question for this video is, using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle XYZ such that the length of the side XY is equal to 8 centimeters, given that triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle. In the videos on mensuration, we learned that for an equilateral triangle, the length of all the sides are equal. So, if triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle, then it means that the length of all the sides of the triangle XYZ are equal. The sides of the triangle XYZ are the side XY, the side XZ, and the side YZ. As you have already seen, for an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal in length. So the length of the side XY is the same as the length of the side XZ and is the same as the length of the side YZ. In the question, we are told that the length of the side XY is 8 centimeters. So we can say that the length of the side XZ is also 8 centimeters and the length of the side YZ is also 8 centimeters. So we now have the length of all the sides of the triangle. We can construct it using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. We can choose any of them as the base. I'm going to choose the side XY. So you draw the side XY, which is 8 centimeters. We move on to the next side, which is XZ. XZ is also 8 centimeters. So you pick your compass and you measure 8 centimeters on the ruler. Then you step on the point X and construct an arc. The next side is YZ, which is also 8 centimeters. So you measure 8 centimeters on your ruler, then you step on point Y and construct an arc to intersect the first arc that you have constructed. The point of intersection of those two arcs will give you the point Z. We will join X to Z with a straight line to get the side XZ. The length of the side XZ is 8 centimeters. Then we will join the point Y to Z to get the side YZ. The length of YZ is 8 centimeters. Now that we know how to go about the construction, let's do the actual construction. So we are going to construct the triangle XYZ, and we have been given the length of the side XY to be 8 centimeters. We also know that the triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle. So the length of the side XY is 8 centimeters. From the previous slide, we saw that for an equilateral triangle, the length of all the sides are the same. So the side XY is 8 centimeters, the side XZ is 8 centimeters, and the side YZ is also 8 centimeters. I'm going to use the side XY as the base. You pick your ruler and you draw a horizontal line which is 8 centimeters long. We have the line here. This is point X and this is point Y. The length of the side XY is 8 centimeters. We move on to the next side, which is XZ. XZ has a length of 8 centimeters. So you pick the compass and you measure 8 centimeters on the ruler. You put the needle of the compass on 0 and stretch the other part to 8 centimeters, which will be 80 millimeters on my ruler. Now, after you have done that, you put the needle of the compass on point X because we are constructing the side XZ. So you put the needle on point X, you turn it and construct an arc. The next side is YZ. It also has a length of 8 centimeters. But at the moment, the radius of our compass is 8 centimeters. So there will be no need going back to the ruler to measure 8 centimeters, since the radius of the compass at the moment is still 8 centimeters. So you pick the needle of the compass from point X and you put it on point Y. Then you turn it and construct an arc to intersect the first one that you constructed. So you construct an arc to intersect the first one, just as I've done here. We are now done with the compass, so I'm going to take it off. The point of intersection of the two arcs will give us the point Z. So this is the point Z. I'm going to clean some parts of the arc so that you can see it very clearly. I'll clean this part and clean this part too. We now have point X, Y, and Z. To get the side XZ, we are going to join point X to point Z. And to get the side YZ, we are going to draw a straight line to join point Y to point Z. The length of the side XZ is 8 centimeters, and the length of the side YZ is also 8 centimeters. So we have been able to construct the equilateral triangle XYZ, given that the side XY is 8 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. So far, we have solved some questions on constructing a triangle using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, when the dimension of all the sides of the triangle is given to you. In the next video, we are going to solve a question on constructing a triangle using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, when the dimension of two sides and the size of one interior angle is given to you. Bye-bye.